Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Its colors name: blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O and 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W or 2. Kids now you do 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4 and again use yellow color. It's neither 5. The numbers of 5 and use black color. F I V E 5. 6. The numbers of 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7 and use red color. S E V E and 7. 8. The numbers of 8. It's neither 9. The numbers of 9 and use green color. N I N E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids neither 13. The numbers of 13 and use blue color. 14. The numbers of 14 and again use blue color. It's neither 15. The numbers of 15 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids neither 17. The numbers of 17 and use black color. 18. The numbers of 18 and again use black color. Kids neither 19. The numbers of 19 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids neither 21. The numbers of 21 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 22. The numbers of 22. Kids neither 23. The numbers of 23 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 24. The numbers of 24. Kids, today draw A, B. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.